So what's up there, you guys? Your man Joe. Came around just to find out you need to know. And just recently, I bought myself a GoPro Hero 7. Yes, I know it's been people been doing reviews and unboxing for quite some time now. I was about to get it because they had a contest for like you can get like at least a part of $1,000,000. So, and I was thinking about it, but I didn't get it. I was very hesitant because they were just trying to make money off of me to be in the contest. But all in all, so this is what I bought. So let's see this unboxing and see how I can open this. So you can open this from the bottom and open this up a little bit. There she is. So this one has the 12 MP, 12 megabyte pixel, 4K resolution. You can go underwater. You can go 33 feet or 10 millimeters, right? I guess good audio, touchscreen, 8x slow-mo, GPS, HDR. Need to know what that is. Hyper smooth and live stream. That's what it would pretty much what caught my interest is the live stream from the GoPro, and yeah, so that's what pretty much got me interested on getting one. Let's see. Let's open this up. Excuse me, guys, for my ashy hands. There you go. Yeah. Ooh. Alright, let's see what's in here. Look like the last one. Manual book that I don't read. So it has little, like one of these things. I have a lot of them. Battery pack. Another one of these, and the cord. Yep. The HDMI cord, not HDMI. The for the camera, you need one of these, just like how my other one, the GoPro 6. And let's see if we can turn this on. Hold on. Hold on. Let me see. Okay, this is one where I usually for the GoPro 6, and this one is for the GoPro 7. This one is a little bit bigger than the 7 than the 7's battery, but it might be the same. It's the same. It's a little similar, but this one's a little bit bigger and heavier, and this one's kind of a little bit lighter. So hopefully I don't have to buy a new It looks like I don't need to buy another another battery for the 7th. So let's turn this on. Trying to tear off the sticker. All right. I don't know, look, it doesn't close all the way at the bottom. I don't know. Now again, this is like one of the last one that they had at the store. Look. English. Legals and terms, agree. Hold on, maybe I should use a GoPro. Let me see. Hold on, let me see if I can download the app. Hey, look, it says 444. Interesting, neat. I gotta get rid of some of these apps. It says I found like 144 junk mail. Interesting. I think I gotta give it a Snapchat, but I kind of use like the cartoon. Twitter. I give it a Snapchat. See what this is all about. I don't know. I might, because I'm mostly using my camera back. I don't use my phone to view for my GoPros. I don't know, because I be on my phone every day, so it just gives me more of a reason to be on my phone a lot. So, and I'm probably gonna be using this a lot. Just like I was using my i6, but I'm mostly majority using my my 4 and the GoPro 4s. Thing is that I need to find the case for it because it broke off. I'm probably gonna go to Fry's and see if they have it, because I don't think they have the casing for these anymore. As I gotta go online or go on Amazon or something like that, which I don't use. I'm sorry, I'm old school that way. Like, like if it's at the store, I'll go get it and buy it. I don't want to wait like another day to see it and find it. So, yeah. I guess I gotta connect it. So yeah, so pretty much using it now. Oh, it has a zoom right here. It's a zoom. Yeah, this is where you can have your zoom right here. What else? It's on wide, linear. Wide, I probably won't stick with wide. What else? Stabilization. I turn off the, let me see. Because if I put it on 4K, it's gonna take like a lot of space. I want a resolution. And yeah. Did I leave the stabilization on? No, I did not. I turned it off. I want to turn it on. I was gonna put it on auto. And yeah, so pretty much down the line, I think I might keep this one. Get a GoPro 7. But later on, I'm probably gonna be using it to see how it's gonna be like. So hopefully it will go all as well. So it's your man Joe. See you guys in another video or so. Hope you liked the review. And I know I have an SD card for this as well. So yeah. So it's your man Joe. See you guys in another video or so. Okay. All right.